Today I am going to show how to make assembly the EOT crane. This is the second part of EOT crane. Okay, let's start. Now I will assembly this second part. Now go to this mat and choose this standard mat, choose this width. Select this space and select this space, select this space and select this space and just select OK. Similarly, it will be like this, just drag it. Again go to this standard mat, choose this and this. Make sure it is concentric and just select OK. Now select this space and select this space. Choose distance, make it 5 millimeter and just select OK. Similarly, select this hole and select this wheel. Make sure it is concentric, just select OK. Just drag it and select this space and you can select this space and just select OK. Now see, it is rotating. Okay. Now I'll set this. Now go to this mat, standard mat and select this hole and select this hole and just select OK. Just drag it, just drag this little. Okay. Now just move it here and again just move it and just select this hole and select this hole. Make sure it is concentric and just select OK. Similarly, select this hole and select this hole. Make sure it is concentric and just select OK. Okay. Again select this space and select this space. Make sure it is coincident and just select OK. Now see, it is fixed. Now again select this space and this space. Make sure it is coincident. Just select OK. Sorry, it will not this. Just cancel it. Cancel this. Now see, it is rotate on this. This graphics is so big size, that's why it does not work, because my graphic size is 4 GB, that's why it's something slow. Okay, yeah. It will be set on this first part, and okay, today I don't have available time to complete this assembly. I'll complete the next tutorial for this assembly. I'll make next tutorial to complete this complete assembly. Please subscribe to my channel to get the new part. Okay, thank you for watching.